Aywa. Yusuf the
Utang na, you na, no, benchut, no, you kalas.
this is our driver Yusuf Gandu. Aywa, number 1. And this is what do you call that? Vessel? You see this? Too much gulong, too much wheel. Hey, stop. Makikita po natin ang dami pong gulong. Ito pong parating na truck na kulay pula. Yung may sobrang daming gulong. 160 170 wheel. Yan, 10 dyan sa pula. Tapos ito, ayan, 3-4 po. Ayan, 3-4. Ayan. Too much weight. See. Too much weight. 4 na isang hilera, 20. 20 times 8, 160 plus 10. Aywa. Ito naman po ang super handsome Kubsurat. Aywa, malum. And this is a super Gandu driver. See, check, smile. Aywa.